you.
Okay. Reel up a little bit.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the boat. Okay, be careful of all these trees around you. You don't want to get snagged up, okay?
Here you go.
See. Oh my goodness. Careful. Okay, stand up. Stand up. You gotta stand up. Okay. Now you gotta be careful because of all your line next to the boat here. Okay. So you're doing really good, Brooke. Be patient. Be patient. No, stop reeling. Stop reeling. Stop reeling. Good.
Oh my god!
You got one. Yeah. Good job. That was great. You excited?
Yeah.
Is that so fun? Good job, honey. That was a great fish, huh?
Touching his skin.
The scales.
Yours.
Okay, you want to let him go?
Yeah, let's let him go.
Let him go.
Hi, Fishy. Did you just swim under the boat?